Good evening, everybody. This evening I will show you how to revive a completely dead GoPro battery. I believe this is for the generations GoPro, the Hero 5 through the Hero 8. And I may be mistaken, the generations beyond that might use a similar battery type to this. So I had the issue of I was putting this into either this charger. I have a GoPro. This is a GoPro branded battery charger. You just plug in there, and then the batteries just set in like that. And there's little indicator lights here. It would stay yellow for a while, acting like it was charging, but it would not charge at all, and eventually the light would just turn off. Also, I would plug it into my GoPro, and there would be no little red light here. If I take a known good battery and plug it in, there's a little red light that indicates charging. There was no red light on when I would use this battery. That's why it was marked dead. Look for some way to revive it. Now, if I plug it in, actually the red light's showing right now. See, no red light. If I plug it in now, red light. Had a tiny panic attack, didn't know if it was actually going to turn on or not. I will show you how I did that. I just figured this out. So I had seen a video online where you take, this was actually in the context of tool batteries. The gentleman used two DeWalt tool batteries, and he was using them in one of his kids' Power Wheels, and they would just leave them on the vehicle and they would completely discharge, like absolutely flat, to the point where the charger wouldn't recognize that the battery was even on there. That is a similar situation to what I was having here, and these batteries are lithium ion. I don't know if it says directly on here, but I am pretty sure these are lithium ion batteries. That one's kind of swelled. Interesting. Oh, that's my good battery anyway. Anyway, I had the thought that since these batteries are the same battery chemistry as a tool battery, that I could use the same technique. And what he did is he used two wires. In this case, I had paper clips. These are just a box of whatever paper clips from Office Depot. I took the battery, and on here, don't know if you can see, I'd love for it to focus. Focus, please. Okay, you'll have to trust me. If you're watching this video, you undoubtedly have the battery in front of you. There's a positive on this side of it. There's a negative symbol on this side of it. That indicates the positive and negative terminals of the battery. The center two, I believe, are just balance leads and temperature. So I took a paper clip, and this fits perfectly in there. And I took a second paper clip, being very careful not to short the two, because I'm pretty sure that will kill your battery. I'm not wanting to find out. And it will look like this. Now, don't hold your battery this way, because then the negative and the positive will be connected, and you will definitely kill both batteries. You gotta hold it like this, facing the same direction, and then just touch the two contacts together. I'm not going to do this because I've already done it, but then you just stick the other ends of the paper clips into your known good battery for a couple seconds, and it gives it just enough energy for a charger, or in this case, the GoPro itself, to recognize it for charging. Otherwise, the main battery voltage is dropped too low, and it doesn't even see that it exists. So I hope this was helpful. I know this helped me, and I hope this can help many of y'all. Good night.